Well, it's time to do a video on Buckwheat Progeny. This here is one of his offspring. My male Kiko that died a couple months back, 2 years old. Really good goat. So this here is this is one of his offspring. And he's going to be my new male, Pedro. And he's mostly Kiko. And so, would you get out of the attention hog? So, he'll be replacing Buckwheat, his dad. And he should come in probably around 300 pounds, maybe a little more with his genetics. So, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep, this is Pixie, his sister. And she'll be mostly Kiko. She's going to have a little bower, so will he. But not much. That's the mom. And she's mostly Kiko with a little bower. Yeah, that's how you know you got a spoiled goat when the grass is that tall, right? Oh, Spanky, come here. Spanky, come here. Come here. No. I got a female over here. How's that? Oh, I don't know why he's still in he's rutting already. He never did really come out of it. And I don't understand it. I've never had one do that. Usually he should be out of rut 2 months ago almost. But Spanky, come here. Spanky, he's got a female there. He's going, nope, ain't happening. All right, so there's Buckwheat's progeny. Oh, Pedro. What do you think, Pedro? You look pretty laid back. All right. I think everybody's laid back. You're laid back too. Chickens are laid back. I think I'll go do it.